Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial in which we will get to know that how we can create Area Master in Mark ERP software. Firstly, we will get to know that why there is a need of creating Area Master. Area covers all those locations which a businessman operates along with his clients for the purpose of doing business. With Mark ERP software, we can allot area to their respective salesman. So let's see the process of creating Area Master in software. Firstly, to enable this option, we will go to Master's menu, Mark Setup, then to Control Room and search here Area. Click on Accept and set this MR, Root, Areas, Wise Reports Required option to Yes. Then by pressing Escape key, click on Yes to save the changes. Now, to create Area Master, we will go to Master's menu, then to Inventory Masters and then enter on Area Master. So a window is shown. Please use keys F2 for new, F3 for modify and del for delete. Means if you want to create any new area, then you will press F2 function key from your keyboard and you can create area from here. Suppose here we are creating an area Karol Bagh. Now we will press enter key. Then you will see number of MR. Here you will define how many MR or salesman you want to allot for this Karol Bagh area. For now, we will keep only one MR, means we have allotted this area to only single salesman. Now simply you will press enter. Then you will see here Karol Bagh area has been created. In this way we can create areas. Apart from it, if you want to modify any area, then you will simply select your area which you want to modify and press F3 function key on it. And you can modify your area. Along with it, if you want to delete any area, then you will press delete key from your keyboard on that particular area which you want to delete. And so you will see your area will get deleted. So friends, in this way we have learned how we can create a new area and how we can modify or delete any area in Mark software. Thanks for watching.